3-point row. The 3-point row can be done with either a dumbbell or a kettlebell. Stand in front of the dumbbell rack or a bench. Hinge at the hips and stand with your feet slightly staggered. Use the arm on the same side as your front leg to hold onto the bench or the rack. Pull the weight toward your chest while squeezing the shoulder blade back. Try executing the movement by pulling the elbow behind you instead of just lifting the weight up with your arm. Your wrist shouldn't come close to your upper arm. Instead, your elbow should be around a 90-degree angle at the top of the row. You should feel the back working, not the biceps. Hold the top position for a second and lower the weight back down in a controlled fashion. Let the weight stretch your back before you start to row again. Your back should be perfectly straight while doing this exercise. Common mistake: pulling with your arms. This is a back exercise, and that's why pulling primarily with your biceps won't be a good idea. You can see how the angle between the forearm and upper arm isn't close to 90 degrees. If you feel your biceps working a lot during this exercise, you're most likely using your arm too much. Common mistake: rotating the torso too much. Although some torso rotation is allowed during this exercise, especially at the bottom portion of the lift, you shouldn't excessively rotate while trying to pull the weight up. Keep the form honest in order to properly be able to track your progress and avoid any injuries.